If you want to change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy A17, then first of all we can open settings on our phone. And if you scroll down, you should be able to find the general management where we have the Samsung keyboard settings. And in here we have theme. And unfortunately, there are not so many options that we can use. We can choose light and solid light, or dark or solid dark. So unfortunately, only light and dark themes with solid options. There is also one more thing that we can do. If we go back over here, we can enable high contrast keyboard. You can choose one of these 4 options. So technically there are more options, of course, regarding the theme, although I wouldn't really call it a theme. So if you want to actually create more of a custom keyboard theme, then in that case you might need to download a third-party keyboard, for example Gboard, in order to do so. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.